Okay, again, we're in regards to halachot of Beracha, achrona. So he brings down, there are foods which are in between. They're not considered 100% food, but they're not considered mashkeh. For example, jelly. Ice cream is also one of the cases. Or yogurt, where again, it's not food where a person has to chew it in order for it to be eaten. Rather, it's almost like a drink, but it's not a drink. You don't just drink yogurt. You don't see anybody just taking a bottle of yogurt and just drinking it down. Or, right? Or jelly, things like that. So the halacha says, "Ha'ochel ma'achal haveh b'miksat, aval eno karush v'kashe mamash." It's not a hard food which you need to chew, but it's right now hardened, like a yogurt or jelly, things like that. Halacha says, or labne, the halacha says, "Nechshav hadavar ke'ochel ma'achal ve'eno keshote mashkeh." It's considered like eating a regular food, and it's not like a drink. In regards to Beracha achrona, that again, two parts. Number one, we don't go after mashkeh, which is usually goes after the virit. We go after kezai. Also, in regards to time-wise, we said by drinks, you have to drink it within, let's say, 30 seconds, within a minute. You have to finish drinking your revi'it, your 3 ounces. However, by food, you have 7.5 minutes to eat your kazayit. And therefore, by yogurt, you don't have to just gobble down the entire yogurt in order to be able to say borei nefashot, but rather, even if you had it within a time limit of, let's say, 7.5 minutes, definitely a person can make borei nefashot. However, he brings that in regards to ice cream or ices, where those things, even though they're hard right now, but if you would just leave them for a couple of minutes, they'll be melted. They'll become totally water. He says in that case, many poskim hold that one does not make borei nefashot, and therefore, halakha ma'aseh is that our minhag, our custom is that if one ate only ice cream, nothing else, one does not make a borei nefashot afterwards. Again, because it's not the derech, it's definitely not considered normal to take the entire ice cream and eat it within 30 seconds to a minute. That's definitely not considered the norm, and therefore, definitely you would go over that period of time. Most people would definitely eat it within probably a time limit of 7.5 minutes and more. In that case, since you did not drink it, you didn't have it within the time limit of shetiyah, of something which is a drink, a person does not make a borei nefashot after having ice cream.